Well, y'all, KATSEYE, Gnarly came out. I hear things. I'm a little drunk. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a minute since I reacted to something a little bit tipsy. Shout out to the soju right here. My God. Gnarly. Now, I hear good things, bad things. I'm not sure what to believe. I'm socially drained. I just came home from hanging out with a bunch of friends. Smoke eye? 143 2023 Nowhere Land. Okay. KATSEYE, Gnarly. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin.
They could describe everything with one single word.
What?
You know, like Bugatti, Tesla, fried chicken, party in the Hollywood Hills. This song.
Party in the Hollywood Hills. First of all, from someone that used to live in the Hollywood Hills, they kind of lit. I'm not gonna lie. This song.
Oh my God, that new beat.
Sorry, I just witnessed some ass slapping. Manon and Megan? Is
Party in the Hollywood Hills. This song.
Damn, they look good. Damn, Megan.
Oh my God, that new beat.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Sorry, okay, I need to stop staring.
God, is this real?
What the hell was that?
Oh, we're in a session tonight. Gang, gang. Oh, we're going out tonight. Gang, gang. Oh my God, this song's so lit. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Gang, gang,
What am I
gang,
listening
gang.
to? Oh my God, all the twerking? What the hell? Hold up. Hold up.
Gang. Gang, 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 gang.
Bah, bah. Oh, they're holding sandwiches? Are those AI? Oh, what the hell? Oh, they all in my face. Okay, first of all, this is a lot for me right now. I don't know. I just literally came back from like hanging out and a party. Okay. Okay. Okay, you the shit. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Okay, Laura, I saw you. Donnie.
For a boring dumb bitch, fucking gnarly.
Gnarly.
Don't talk to me. You're gnarly. I'm not. Jealous of my
You gonna throw her ass?
mention? Yeah, the view is fucking gnarly.
Oh, they just partying. What the hell? Joyba? Oh my God, Sophia. Oh, right now, red carpet.
Daddy, chill.
Bruh, what is in this drink? Did I just see flies just doing it or some bees? What is that? Yeah, they slaying though. They look good. Am I too drunk for this? Shit. What the hell did I? Is that it? What the hell did I just watch? The hell? It feels like. Okay, hold on. Let me repeat this. So they started off with Yunche.
Everything with one single word. You know, like Bugatti, Tesla,
I don't know if Tesla's gnarly, but okay.
fried chicken, party in the Hollywood Hills. This song.
Hold up. They just
Chicken.
out here.
Party in the Hollywood Hills. This song.
Damn! Bro, they are. Listen.
Oh my God, that new beat. Party in the Hollywood Hills. This song. Oh my God, that new beat.
Damn.
God, is this real? Oh, we're in a session tonight.
Hey, Laura.
Gang, gang. Oh, we're going out tonight. Gang, gang. Oh my God, this song's so lit. Congratulations.
You know what this feels like? like it almost feels like a not like let me take a selfie, but like the talking points. They're talking a lot in this song. That's a sad egg with a bacon.
You be like, gang, 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 gang.
Oh, they have a bunch of boba. Oh damn, they really twerking that ish. Ooh, Donnie. Okay, visual wise they slaying. That's a crazy shot. Visual wise they slaying.
Hottie, hottie, like a bag of Takis. I'm the shit. I'm the shit.
Like a bag of Takis, I'm a shit.
They be trying
Bro, Manon slaying though.
copy. I'm the shit.
They all slay. They're all beautiful. The song wise, I'm not even sure right now.
I'm the shit. I'm the shit.
Damn. That's a crazy shot.
I'm making beats for a
Boy,
boy
dumb bitch. That's the kind of I like that saying.
fucking gnarly.
Aw.
Don't talk to me. You're gnarly. I'm not. Jealous of
You tossing? You said Yunche?
my mention? Yeah, the view is fucking gnarly.
I'm trying to understand. Everything's gnarly. I get it. Hey, shout out to Sophia. Uy, Philippines. Shout out to, me being half Filipino, you know what I'm saying? Woo. We know you the shit. That's a crazy shot. What the hell? Okay, we get it. Taco. That is creepy. It's like a jump scare. Okay, so visual wise, fucking slays. Song wise, this has to grow on me because it feels like more of an intro. In the sandwich melts. It feels like more of an intro to like an album more than an actual song for me. I don't know. You tell me in the comments down below. I don't even know where this is going, but I would hope to understand it in the near future, maybe months from now or weeks from now. But gnarly. Tell me, what do you guys think? Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. I don't even know what to say. What the hell? Alright, y'all. Thanks, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.